Okay, so now I'm on the start the skirt with the white yarn, row 11, and I'm starting with my chain 2.
And in this row, we're going to do a half double crochet, but through the front loop. So starting with the yarn over, I'm going to insert my hook into just the front leg of the stitch. Then I do another yarn over and pull through the first loop. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. Do another yarn over and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. This row calls for increases, so the pattern is 2 half double crochets through the front loop in the same stitch, and then we go to the next stitch and do a half double crochet through the front loop, and then go back to 2 half double crochets through the front loop and then 1. And you're going to repeat that to the end of the round for a total of 36 half double crochets. As you're working this round, you'll notice that working through the front loop of the stitches causes the half double crochets to flare outwards, creating the skirt on these mushrooms. You'll also notice that on the inside of your mushroom that there is a ridge that's created from the unworked back loop of the stitch. And keep note of that because you're going to be working into that back loop on the next round.
Hello. Good, how are you guys? He gets paid in belly rubs and snacks.
All right, I'm at the end of my round. I've worked 36 half double crochets, and now I am slip stitching to the chain 2 that I did at the beginning of the round. And now I'm going to snip my yarn with enough tail to weave the ends in later and pull that tail through the loop on my hook. And you can see that ridge on the inside of my mushroom that I'm going to work in the next row.